Hi, I just wanted to do a review on this Hoover Smartwash vacuum that I got for Prime Day this year. Super easy, quick setup here. Comes with that little bottle of shampoo for like a sample. That removable bottom part, which is awesome and probably one of my favorite features about this vacuum. This will be my first time using this vacuum. It is a Hoover. I've always had Hoovers. I have like the old red one. And I just got this for Prime Day, and love it already. So it has a solution container here in the back, and it comes with like a little bottle of cleaner. This is where you put your fresh clean water. I always put hot water. I don't know if that matters or not. I always feel like it helps loosen up anything, and then all the dirty water will go into here. I love that that bottom plate is removable, because I feel like on the other ones they get so much dirt and gets caught up in there. So I love that that's removable, super easy. And then what I really like about this is that it has a dry only option. So after you're done cleaning, you can just press this button right here and then it's just a dry. So you just use it to get the carpet extra dry. And then I was reading on there and it says to run water only after you're all done. So you remove the solution tank and just put the water in there and then go over to get any extra shampoo out. So I've never done that before, but so I'm going to start doing that. And then I just washed this carpet a couple days ago with my older one, and so I'm going to see how much that actually missed. And I already vacuumed to get any big pieces of dirt or whatever, but we have dogs and they like to sleep on our floor until we get other flooring. So here I wanted to show you what it looks like when it's working. So when you move forward, you can see here it says wash, and then when you move backwards, it will turn green and dry. So that's a good little tool here to tell you like kind of what step it's doing. So as I said, I just cleaned this the other day, and this is what I got out of my bedroom today. So yeah, that's very disappointing in my other machine that it didn't catch all of this. Clean solution out, and now I'm going to just use plain water to rinse out any extra residue like they mentioned to do. So this part that I was talking about when I did the unboxing of it, they had to put it together, and so now, yuck, this is embarrassing, but this is what I get for having 2 dogs and 3 kids. But this part rinses off. It's probably the best part about this vacuum so far that I love, because otherwise it always just dries up and builds up in here and you can't clean it because how are you going to take it apart? And it looks like these will just lift off. Yep, okay, so those will just lift right off, and then you can clean those off. So yeah, this probably is by far my most favorite vacuum I bought. And then also it comes with a bag of parts for handheld stuff, so you can put the hose in here. Looks like maybe I didn't close it all the way, but you can hook up your hose here to do like your stairs or stuff like that. And so I haven't tried that part out yet, but so far I 1,000 times recommend this carpet washer. So I just wanted to finish up on this Hoover Smartwash vacuum. I wanted to show the hose that it comes with, so if you need to do furniture or stairs like I'll be doing next, hookup is in here. And then another thing I wanted to mention, what I love about this one is that the water is separate from the solution. The other ones I know or that I've used are combined, and so I love that they're separate now, because then you can kind of disperse it, know how it's going to work. And also I noticed that I can wash way more carpet with just like less filling up, so I love that. And then also on any other machine that I had, it had like a button you always had to push at the top and the handle, and then your fingers get sore. This one does it automatically, so that is another big plus for me, at least. So if you're in the market for a new carpet washer, 100%, 1,000 times over, will recommend this one.